Hi friends, this is Varsha Subbarao along with Banu. Welcomes you to Green Coach. Green Coach offers online tutorials for various horticulture subjects. Today in our Green Coach classes, we are dealing about the cultural methods of pest control. Let's start our class. There are several components of IPM. They are cultural management, mechanical management, physical management, biological management, legislature management, microbial management, and chemical management. We will see about the cultural management in detail. The cultural method of management includes two steps. They are non-intended to control pest, methods intended to control pest. Non-intended to control pest, intended to control pest. Let's see methods which are non-intended to control pest. Non-intended to control pest or indirect methods of pest control. Indirect methods of pest control. Let's see about each and every factor in detail. Proper cultivation. If we 3 to 4 times means indirectly soil solarization takes place and all the eggs present in the soil are exposed to sun and they become non-viable. Proper cultivation makes the soil to solarize and exposes all the pupas and eggs present in the soil and destroys them. Next one is clean cultivation, means weed removal. Several pests attack our economic crop in adult stages. Several pests attack our crop in adult stages. In all the lower stages, it depends upon weeds. If we remove weeds from your field, they will not develop into adults and destroy your crop. Let's see an example. Fruit sucking moth. It attacks citrus in adult stage. But in lower stages, it depends on monospermaceae family weeds. If you remove monospermaceae family weeds from your field, then you can prevent the fruit sucking moth. Cutting and removal of infested parts. You should remove the infested parts immediately and we should cut the infested parts immediately in order to prevent the further infestation. Example, coccids. Removal of stubbles. For cotton pink ball, if you remove stubbles, we can prevent the infestation. Changes in system of cultivation. Perennial banana cultivation shifted to biennial. Hence, we can prevent the rhizome weevil. Perennial banana cultivation is converted to biennial. It helps in the prevent of infestation of rhizome weevil of banana. Next one is crop rotation. If we rotate crop rotation is nothing but growing of one crop in 1 year and another crop in another year. Growing of one crop in 1 year and another crop in another year. Crop rotation of cereals and pulses prevents several infestation of pests. Growing of resistant varieties also suppress the pest. Non-intended to control pests or indirect methods of pest control. We see the proper cultivation, clean cultivation, cutting and removal of infested parts, removal of stubbles, change in system of cultivation, crop rotation and growing of resistant varieties. Now we will see the intended to control pest methods. They are the direct methods of pest control. First one is sowing time. Sowing time is very important. If we sow your crop in the time where the pest infestation is very low, then you can prevent the pest. Means early sowing and late sowing should be practiced. Early sowing and late sowing prevents the pest infestation. Trap crop. Trap crop attracts the insect towards it so that they do not infest our main crop. The crop which attracts insects towards it and prevents the infestation of main crop can be termed as trap crop. For citrus fruit borer, we use tomato as trap crop. For bendy spotted bollworm, we use cotton as trap crop. For tomato spodoptera, we use castor as trap crop. Citrus fruit borer, we use tomato as trap crop. Bendy spotted bollworm, we use cotton as trap crop. For tomato of spodoptera infestation in tomato, we use castor as trap crop. Trimming of buns. The grasshoppers lays eggs on the buns. If we trim your buns or pluck your buns, the eggs are exposed to the sun and they will be destroyed. And flooding. Some organisms require more oxygen to survive. If you flood your field, they will be deprived of oxygen and they will die. Drying increases the availability of oxygen. For the pests which are survive under anaerobic conditions, drying destroys them. Alternate wetting and drying can be used in order to prevent the pest infestation in BHC, brown plant hopper. And the stored products should be dried in order to increase their storage life. And the stored products should be dried in order to increase their storage life. Intended to control pest. They are the direct methods of pest control. We see the sowing time, trap crop, trimming of buds, flooding, alternate wetting and drying, and stored products. That's all for now, friends. Let's see in detail. In cultural method of management of pest, we have two parts: the non-intended to control pest and intended to control pest. Non-intended to control pests or indirect methods of pest control means proper cultivation, 3 to 4 times fluffing induces soil solubilization. It will kill all the stages of pests which are present in the soil. Clean cultivation, weed removal. Example, fruit sucking moth. It in adult stage it attacks citrus. All the lower stages are dependent on monospermaceae family. If you remove weeds, you can prevent the infestation. Cutting and removal of infested parts. Example, coccids. Removal of stubbles. Example, ball. Changes in system of cultivation. Perennial banana is shifted to biennial. Prevents the rhizome weevil infestation. Crop rotation with cereal and pulse prevents infestation of several pests. Growing of resistant varieties can be used or implemented. Intended to control pests or direct methods of pest control. Sowing time. We should sow the seeds in low pest infestation time. Early sowing or late sowing should be possible. Trap crop. The crop which is used to attract the insects and suppress the infestation of main crop can be termed as trap crop. For citrus root border of citrus, we use tomato as trap crop. For bendy spotted bollworm, we use cotton as trap crop. For Sporoptera of tomato, we use castor as trap crop. Trimming of buds. Grasshopper lays its eggs on buds. We should trim them in order to suppress the growth of eggs of grasshopper. Flooding deprives the oxygen. Drying increases the oxygen content. Alternate wetting and drying is employed in BPH, brown plant hopper. And stored products should be dried. That's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching Green Coach. Please like and subscribe our videos for other video updates. We'll update you soon with another video. Share maximum, guys. If you want to suggest us anything, please comment them in the comment section. This is Vasa Subbarao along with Manu signing off for today. Share maximum. Thank you.